I'm going to go see if my bike is still there. Litelok sent me a lock to keep it safe overnight, so let's go see if it's still there. Oh God, don't tell me I'm going to get stuck in the lift. Oh, there we go. Hey, it's still there. Surprising for London. No offence, but come on guys. Look at that. And the Litelok is still on. A little bit wet this morning, but hey ho. I'd rather have a wet bike than no bike. That come off nice and easy. So this is the Litelok X1 armoured Baronium? Yeah. Good job. I mean, for Litelok you expect light. It's not that light, but it's lighter than a big fat chain round your bike, so yes, I recommend. Let's put you away, your little sleeping bag. You there. Put those in there. Yeah, I highly recommend splitting the keys. Don't put all the keys together, otherwise you'll have a panic like I did this morning and be like, where the f are all my keys? I thought, oh no, trust me, I've got a ladies' day and I'm going to be late.